Python style, line continuation with strings. In trying to obey the Python style rules, I've set my editors to a max of 79 cols. In the PEP, it recommends using Python's implied continuation within brackets, parentheses, and braces. However, when dealing with strings when I hit the col limit, it gets a little weird. For instance, trying to use a multiline. Will return. This works, since it returns this. But, when the statement is indented a few blocks in, this looks weird. If you try and indent the second line, your string ends up as. The only way I've found to get around this is, which I like better, but is also somewhat uneasy on the eyes, as it looks like there is a string just sitting in the middle of nowhere. This will produce the proper. So, my question is, what are some people's recommendations on how to do this, and is there something I'm missing in the style guide that does show how I should be doing this? Thanks.
Since adjacent string literals are automatically joined into a single string, you can just use the implied line continuation inside parentheses as recommended by PEP 8. Just pointing out that it is use of parentheses that invokes autoconcatenation. That's fine if you happen to already be using them in the statement. Otherwise, I would just use a backslash rather than inserting parentheses, which is what most IDEs do for you automatically. The indent should align the string continuation so it is PEP 8 compliant. E.g.
Another possibility is to use the textwrap module. This also avoids the problem of string just sitting in the middle of nowhere, as mentioned in the question.
This is a pretty clean way to do it.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.